PayPal money on hold for 21 days. In this video, I'll show you what to do to release your money before 21 days. I'll advise you to watch this video to the end. I'll show you how to get it done step by step. Alright, so as you can tell, I have my PayPal account here and all that, but just so after going through the process, I can share this with you guys, alright? This is why I have everything here inside Canva, because I saved all my screenshots in here. So this is the notice I got. Future payments may be put on hold for up to 21 days. And know your options, alright? So when you click on your notification icon, you get the details. So this is to help you to understand it better, right? Why we hold payment for sellers. Keeping buyers and sellers safe is part of what makes us PayPal. When you are new or haven't sold in a while, we hold funds for up to 21 days so we can verify your identity and monitor your sales. Alright, so when you are new, they just want to protect their PayPal customers. If they don't do that, people can sell like scammy stuff, and by the time they realize it's too late. And myself, this has happened to me before. I bought a digital product online, but at the end, I was not able to find the key. And even when you find the key and you try to access the product, you can't get it. So I have to call PayPal for them to put them on hold until I tell PayPal to proceed. But when PayPal sent the teller the message, they didn't reply. So at the end, PayPal gave me back my money. Alright, so I mean situations like that. So after, you have to click on know your options. So when you click on the message option, you get your details, okay? Whatever is the problem, you'll get it, because there are so many things that will put you in this situation. So your case might differ, but the process is still the same. You just have to follow these steps because they will send you the message. Make sure to add your shipping or tracking info. So when you check, there are more messages, because like here, please confirm your debit or credit card to complete verification and remove the preset limits on your account. Okay, so you have to go through all your messages just to know what they want you to do. Alright, so now you have to check your email and go to the inbox and make sure you attend to the messages from PayPal. It says your funds are on hold. Here is what to do. See how to help get your future funds fast. Congrats on your recent sale. When you are a new seller, we hold your received sales for up to 21 days so we can verify your identity and monitor your transactions. This is one way we help to keep PayPal safe for sellers and buyers, okay? So they've made it clear for you to know their intention. Here is what you can do to help get future funds fast. Confirm your account information. That means add and verify your bank account, debit or credit card. Add banking information and continue with the process. Increase your sales. Process 5 transactions and receive $200 in sales. Alright, so you have to be able to process about 5 transactions and receive $200 in sales. Alright, avoid disputes. Help avoid disputes for 60 days by communicating clearly with customers and writing detailed product descriptions. Alright, so make sure you don't have disputes about your business or about your online business. That means nobody will be complaining and a whole lot of drama surrounding your product. Okay, so everything has to be good. Okay, if not, they'll kick you out. Alright, so we have to click on this button to link a card or your bank account to PayPal. Right here, there are so many options, so you have to choose what's the status of the order. So the order is processed already, because in most cases the buyer has already purchased or subscribed to whatever it is. Alright, so this is what you have to choose. Order processed. And do you have tracking number? In this example, this is a digital product. This one doesn't have tracking, so we have to click tracking information not required. Okay, so when you click that, you don't need to fill this. Okay, so it depends. Some of the products you need tracking info. That is if they have to deliver to your house or to your mailbox or stuff like that. But in most cases, if it's a digital download and stuff like that, you don't need all this tracking stuff. So when you click on submit, you're gonna end up here. Link card. So debit or credit card number, card type. Okay, if it's credit card or debit card, just select it. Expiration date and the security code at the back of your card. And make sure your billing address is correct. Okay, I have to blur it. and then click on link card. Okay, so you receive this message. You link your Visa debit. All right, that means you've done it right. All right, so this is what I wanted to show you earlier on. Okay, so see what's on hold. So you have different messages. Okay, you just have to click through and answer or to attend to them. All right, so this is just by the way. So if you've not done this, you just click on it and work on it. All right, so next, you have successfully updated order information. An email will be sent to your customer with the information you provided. Okay, so now you've done your part. Your customer has to click on it to confirm the order, to confirm the sales or the order or the purchase. Okay, all right, so next you have to find the product in question and click on it. And when you click on it, you should see you have successfully updated shipment information. You will get your money within 1 day of delivery. All right, so after a day, everything will go through, and when your customer accept the order and the process, you will get your money into your payment account, and you can process it for withdrawal from your PayPal account into your bank account or into your debit account. All right, so like I said earlier on, it might depend, like you've not met the $200 threshold, you've not made like up to 5 sales or stuff like that. There are a whole lot of reasons why your money will be on hold for 21 days. Okay, even if one product costs $200, they still have to hold on for up to 21 days. If the customer didn't cancel or complain or whatsoever, then you can get your money. Okay, all right, so I'll go over the requirement quick just so you understand better. Why are your funds unavailable or on hold, and what can you do about it? Let's check it out. Why are my funds unaccessible or on hold? There are about 5 steps here, so let's go through them. 1. You are a first-time seller. When you are a new PayPal seller, it takes time to build up enough history to demonstrate a pattern of positive buyer-seller transactions. The good news is you can usually move out of this status by confirming your identity and building up a history of positive selling activity. Alright, so in this case, there's nothing much you can do because you are a first-time seller. So just do the right thing. Alright, that's all. Alright, so 2. You haven't sold in a while. I don't know why this is a problem for them, but anyhow, when your selling activity has been dormant for a long time, it will also take time to rebuild a history of positive buyer-seller transactions. But this shouldn't be their problem. As long as you are selling or you are not selling, it depends on the market. So they should take it easy, man. Alright, 3. So what can you do about this? You have to promote your product on social media like Google Ads and stuff like that just to push it more, okay? Because they want you to buy more. They want you to promote your product so you can sell more in order for them to get money by charging you fees when you have to transact your money or when you have to withdraw your money through your PayPal business account. Because when you're a business, remember, they charge you fees whenever you withdraw money. So it's kind of a conflict of interest. But anyhow, what can you do? Nothing really. And it depends on what you are selling, if people likes it, because there are some product that is hard to sell frequently. Okay, so don't worry, just do your best. Number 3, multiple customers filed for a refund, dispute, or chargeback. All right, oh man, please try and make sure this will not apply to you or this will not happen to you, because the more customers file for refund, dispute, and chargebacks, trust me, PayPal will not be happy with you, and whenever somebody purchases your product, they will hold it for 21 days. And if it continues, I don't think they would like to run business with you. If multiple customers file for refund, dispute, or chargeback, it can delay the availability of your funds. The best way to resolve this is to work directly with the customers to prevent or solve disputes and chargebacks. Sometimes it's possible your customer filed for a refund, dispute, or chargeback because someone illegally used their PayPal account to buy something. We ask that you hold off on shipping any items when this happens. Alright, so it's clear. So always make sure your business is in good stand and check and watch out for red flags and signs of illegal transactions. Okay, so if not, it's gonna cost you a lot because there are so many people out there doing like bad stuff online, so and using other people's card or like fake cards and stuff like that. So just make sure you are, so be vigilant. That's all. Number 4, your selling patterns appears unusual or changed. An unusual sales activity includes a recent spikes in sales or change in your average selling price, business platform or type of item being sold. Alright, so for instance, like spike in sales, yeah, all of a sudden, boom, like you are selling like crazy stuff. Like with PayPal, they would like to check what's going on. If this is genuine, they want to know. But I don't know why they should be concerned about this anyway. Or changing your average selling price. Yeah, so it's like if you begin to cut prices or increase prices, they would like to know. This is funny. Business platform or type of item being sold. Okay, well, this shouldn't be their problem, but the type of item being sold, yeah, they would like to know, just so they'll know you are not selling risky stuff. All right, last but not least, you are selling higher risk items. Or okay, like I said, higher risk items can include tickets, gift cards, customer electronics, computers, and travel packages. You can also read our user agreement for more information on other holds and reserves we may place on your account. Alright, so these are just things you can do or check to correct and make sure your funds will not be held for that long. Alright, so what can you do to access your money soon? Yeah, so these are PayPal supported carriers in the United States as of June 18, 2020. Alright, so you can go through it. I'll drop the link in the description box just so you can work it out. How can we prevent delay in funds? Alright, yeah, so how can we prevent the delay of available funds? Alright, so like I showed you earlier on, review your emails. Okay, always when you get emails or notifications and stuff, pop-ups, don't ignore them, just check it. Prevent refunds, disputes, and chargebacks. Oh, okay, this is good to know. Setting yourself up for success by posting actual photos and detailed, accurate descriptions of items so buyers know exactly what they are getting. Alright, so they want you to be clear with your customers about what you are selling or your service. Okay, being clear about shipping and handling time, cost, and methods. Process orders promptly to avoid delay. Okay, this is as clear as it is. Packing items carefully with appropriate quality packing materials so customers receive the items in good condition. Okay, especially if this is fragile products, and this applies to physical goods or physical products. Okay, but if it's digital products, you don't have to worry about it. Or if it's services like online coaching and stuff like that, you don't have to worry about all this. Uploading tracking information of our supported carriers or printing USPS/UPS shipping label through our paper. Clearly defining your return policy upfront to avoid problems later. Alright, so these are things I would like to share with you on top of the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.